Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's always the customers who don't tip who have you doing the most extra stuff. It's always them. So I'm on this order right now, and I knew I shouldn't have taken it. I knew I shouldn't have taken it. It was $13 for 3 miles, which sounds good. Miles to money ratio. 11 item shop order. Actually, 14 items. So I go up in there. I'm like, okay, if it's all grocery, then at least I can understand that. Because if you shop and you know, like sometimes the customers get food stamps, they order all groceries. And you know, like whatever, no tip, they order with food stamps. At least I ain't got to go to, you know, different departments inside the store. It's all grocery, whatever. Miles to money ratio is good. That is not the case. This customer had me going getting medicine out the medicine aisle, dog food, paper towels, all types of stuff that's not food stamp approved. So when the customer places an order and it's all grocery items and there's no tip, while I still don't like it, I'm more likely to do it if it meets my requirements as far as miles to money ratio, item count ain't too high, etc. But when a customer don't leave a tip on the shop and deliver order, and then they want you to go not only to the grocery aisle and grab 4-5 cases of water, milk, all types of perishables, right? Then they want you to go grab their dog food, paper towels. Like, see, okay, it's one thing if you don't tip and you order in with food stamps, government assistance, SNAP, something like that. But these raggedy bastards be having the audacity to not tip, but want to send you to every corner of the damn store. I mean, you going and getting pet supplies, medicine, freaking toys for the kids, clothes for the kids, all types of stuff. Like, what is going on? So I shop the order. They got me getting paper towels and medicine. I shop it. Head back to the car. It's 3 mile distance, right? So I go to drop it off. Tell me why I get a half a mile away from the damn customer drop off. Tell me why the whole road completely blocked off. I'm literally driving around right now. I had to drive 3 miles around where the streets blocked off at just so I can access this customer house. And these raggedy rat bastards didn't say nothing about a street closure. They didn't say shit. And this is why I hate no-tip customers, because they are so inconsiderate. They don't value us. They don't care that we got to drive around, detours and traffic. They don't care that they just sent you from the grocery aisle to the medicine aisle. You pushing cases of water. They don't care about none of that. All they care about is inflation is making their groceries higher. Therefore, they trying to get all their shit without tipping and without spending gas money to go get it. They already get DoorDash and Walmart Plus and Amazon, everything for free. They getting all the services for free and still can't even tip. You no good, degenerate bastards. Lazy, fat, funky finger toe having ass. Like, I can't stand these people. They get on my damn nerves. So we going to deliver to a clown because this customer, you know, if you only ordered groceries, I could understand. You know, you on assistance, you need to get your groceries, maybe you ain't got a way to get them. Maybe you ain't got somebody to watch the kids. I get it. Even if you order groceries and a couple baby items, some baby water, baby wipes, diapers, I understand. Like, I don't even be tripping. And if it's not a tip, but all the other parameters meet up, I'll do it. I will do it. But it's the customers like this. They ain't order no baby water, no baby wipes, no baby diapers, nothing. They just ordered all shit for them and couldn't even leave a couple dollar tip. So for all my customers out there who like to place grocery orders, having something, it ain't no motherfucking Walmart associate shopping for you. Motherfucker, it's me. It's me. Walmart don't pay me. You pay me. So stop being a raggedy, low down, dirty scoundrels. Just stop. Place a couple dollars on the fucking order. You lazy, fat fucking Americans. I cannot stand y'all ass. Y'all are some lazy, fat motherfuckers. Throw $5 on the fucking order. Half of y'all be 5 miles away anyways. You fat, lazy motherfucker. I hope you hear this. I hope this make you feel some type of way when you see this video. You fat son of a bitch. Put a tip on that order with your fat ass. In that order. And I'll see y'all in the next video.